The first piece of the puzzle is the stator, the stationary heart of the motor. Picture a laminated steel core made up of thin steel laminations. These laminations are key to reducing those pesky eddy current losses. Inside the stator you'll find windings, typically composed of copper or aluminum wire. When these windings get a taste of three-phase AC power, they create a rotating magnetic field. Clever, right? And let's not forget the slots in the stator core. These little guys hold the windings in place and provide a path for that all-important magnetic flux to pass through. Now let's turn our attention to the rotor, the motor's rotating superstar. There are two main types of rotors to consider: the squirrel cage and the wound rotor. The former features conductive bars placed in slots on a cylindrical laminated core. The latter, on the other hand, has windings connected to slip rings, offering the advantage of variable speed control. But what keeps the rotor spinning seamlessly within the stator? That's where bearings come into play. These hard-working components support the rotor shaft, ensuring smooth rotation. Many motors also boast an enclosure for added protection against environmental factors, complete with cooling systems to dissipate the heat generated during operation. The terminal box rounds out the ensemble, providing a connection point for external control devices. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the construction of a three-phase induction motor. From the steel core of the stator to the conductive bars of the rotor, every part contributes to the motor's efficient and reliable operation. In summary, the construction of a three-phase induction motor involves the assembly of several key components. The stator, with its laminated steel core, windings and slots; the rotor, which may be a squirrel cage or wound type; bearings for smooth rotation; an enclosure for protection and cooling; and a terminal box for external control connections. It's a process that, while complex, can be understood when broken down into these fundamental steps. So next time you look at a three-phase induction motor, you'll appreciate the symphony of components working together to bring it to life.